This video I'm going to show you how you can be moving using a keyframe in CapCut. See, so I'm going to select the background to the track, right? And I'm just going to add the overlay, just one on top. And I'm going to remove the background, go to cutout, and select the cutout. So I'm going to make this object moving, and just select basic and select keyframes button right here, and swipe to the right and move the object. Swipe to the right again and move the object as you like, and then and so on until finish the video. So this is the final effect. That's it. So super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.